Krisykatters, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode. And as of course, it's themed because it is November, turkey season. And so I usually do a fall look every year. And so this palette this year is the chocolate palette from Profusion. It's still available on their website. And we're actually going to follow their suggested eye look. And here are the instructions here, and they are numbered, so those are those little dots there, you know, 1, 2, 3. The curious thing about this is the look that they have here is not brown, it's green, which is this lovely color here. So I don't know why it's brown, but I'm still going to follow the instructions. So to see how it turns out and everything, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit turn on the notification bell so you know when I post, and don't forget to check out my Instagram page. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, okay, so my eyes are primed, and the eye and instructions from the back of the palette will be somewhere on the side upper corners of the video. So let's get started.